What companies are saying about Cedar Valley Community Healthcare.
We chose Cedar Valley Community Healthcare after a thorough evaluation of all the different options. There are some major health insurance carriers that serve our area. We felt like Cedar Valley Community Healthcare was a local option. We felt their commitment to service and the insured was very high. And we felt like there was an opportunity at least for us to save money with their local network approach.
As a self-funded health plan, we are always looking for the best network discounts and an extensive PPO network. And when we started to look at Cedar Valley Community, we learned that their discounts were very, very good, and they had a very extensive network, and we felt it was the best decision to afford our employees.
The transition from our previous plan to Cedar Valley Community Healthcare was very smooth. Considering I know sometimes change from plans can be difficult.
Our transition over to Cedar Valley Community Healthcare was very easy and smooth. The staff at Cedar Valley Community Healthcare were always available for any questions that we had and made the transition about as smooth as possible.
The transition that we've had from our previous carrier to Cedar Valley Community Healthcare has been great. That transition was seamless. They took care of all of our questions. Our employees have been very happy with the switch.
We enjoy the fact that we've been in the same building, shared office space, gotten to know the folks at Cedar Valley Community Healthcare from top to bottom.
It's a huge cost-saving opportunity, and it's really one of the few ways there are to bend that cost curve. Everybody talks about bending the cost curve. That is a real tangible way to bend the cost curve, and the reason is it is less expensive to get care in the Cedar Valley than to go to Iowa City or Rochester.
It's kind of a cool thing to have Cedar Valley Community Healthcare local. If an employee has a claim question, there's kind of a couple ways we can handle it. We can give them the phone number where they can call themselves, but they do have that option to go into the local office.
We appreciate the fact that our staff are able to make a local phone call and get a hold of someone directly right away without waiting on the phone on an 800 number for a long period of time.
That's one of the things that drew me into Cedar Valley Community Healthcare was that local aspect where we could just build a relationship, and it wasn't just a long distance over the phone type thing. So that was a big selling point for me.
I think if I had to boil down Cedar Valley Community Healthcare to one thing, my favorite thing, I would use the word local.
If I had to name one thing that summed up Cedar Valley Community Healthcare, I would have to go with the customer service, all the way down from the employer to the employee.
The main thing that we've appreciated most about Cedar Valley Community Healthcare is the service. Knowing the folks who are representing the plan on our behalf and helping us design it.
I think the one feature that probably stands out most with Cedar Valley Community Healthcare is their service. It's just very easy to call them, very easy to get very good customer service. It's solid, and that's really key and important to our Human Resources Department.
You know, if I knew of companies, or if there's companies out there that are struggling with their current healthcare plan, I would strongly recommend Cedar Valley Community Healthcare to them.
I would highly recommend Cedar Valley Community Healthcare to anyone looking at different options for their healthcare coverage. They offer a very reasonable plan with plans that can be customized and also excellent customer service.
I'd absolutely recommend Cedar Valley Community Healthcare to businesses like ours, small, mid-sized businesses, family and friends. The experience that we've had with them thus far has been very positive.
Frankly, I actually have recommended Cedar Valley Community Healthcare to any employer that would call me or any colleague that would call me. It's a solid, good relationship, and we are very pleased with our partnership with them.
I really think if you're not with them, you're doing yourself a disservice by not at least taking a really hard look at that option, because it is an important option that's there, and I strongly recommend Cedar Valley Community Healthcare.
Local service, local care. your friendly and affordable local healthcare plan. For more information on Cedar Valley Community Healthcare, visit cvchcare.com.